Hey guys, so as you can see in front of us, we have the box pack of the Honor 8 Pro, and I've got the 128GB variant with 6GB of RAM, navy blue color. This thing sports a Kirin 960 processor, a Quad HD panel, and there's a lot more. I'll be talking about that later in the video. And leaving that apart, I can call it the best budget device under the price bracket of Rs 30,000, because this device is an all-rounder and sports up some great specs and is a competitor of the OnePlus 5 or the OnePlus 5T till date. So without any further ado, let's just quickly open up the box pack. So at the back of the box, we can see that the price is mentioned. Let me just focus. I hope you guys can see over here, that is 29,999, 6GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and this thing comes with Android Nougat out of the box, that is EMUI 5.1. Anyways, let me just open the box pack. Okay, so let me have a bit of focus. So this is our device, guys. I have opened the seal earlier. Oh, what did just fall down? So this is your IMEI stickers, and you gotta keep it safe, cause this thing will be required while you visit the service center in any need of yours regarding this device. Anyways, keeping this apart, keeping this a bit safe. Yeah, I opened the seal earlier because I needed to check whether the device inside is all okay or not, cause I bought this device online, so no belief in them. Anyways, this thing is pretty something great, and I'm coming to that a bit later. I set that up when I first opened the box pack. So let's open this thing. Opening, we get this thing. Yeah, we have some documentation here, I hope. Okay, so a warranty card, Huawei warranty card, an Honor 8 Pro quick start guide, and a SIM ejector tool. So keeping these things aside, coming on to this, we have a USB Type A to USB Type C cable, which is quick charge 3.0 capable. I don't know. So Huawei quick charger, as we can see the name suggests. Okay, Huawei quick charge. Anyways, we can see that the rating is given over here, 5V 2 amps or 9V 2 amps. Anyways, this falls between 11 to 13 watts and is just a quick charger. Anyways, keeping that aside, keeping this box aside, coming to our interesting part, which is this thing. This thing is an inbuilt VR of the box of the phone. You can see this was the back of the box. Okay, so you get this thing, and the lenses are there in this part, which I opened that box a bit earlier. It lies in them, and you can just pop in these lenses like anything. You know, I just popped it out. Like, take it, press it down, two lenses are set. Then you set this thing like this, put your phone into this box, do this like this, put your nose into this thing, and like watch some good VR content. Anyways, this is just an experiment by the Honor company that though works well. I've checked it out. So taking this device out of the wrap, let me just do a bit struggling. Yeah, I turned on the device. Anyways, so let me just give you a quick overview. So at the back, we are having a 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel RGB and monochrome sensors. Here is a dual tone dual LED flash. Here's our fingerprint scanner, Honor logo, antenna lines. At the right side of the device, we get a power button, which is bit or very goodly textured, or finely textured rather. And you can differentiate between these and the volume buttons when you just grab the device. Anyways, over at the front of the device, we have the 8 megapixel selfie camera, coupled along with the sensors, the earpiece, and the Honor branding at the bottom. So moving on to the left side, we have the SIM ejector or the SIM tray over here. You can just eject it with the pin. I do have SIMs inserted right now. Over at the bottom of the device, we get to see a Type C port, a speaker grill, a headphone jack, and that's all. Over at the very top of the device, we get to see the IR blaster, which is like nowadays not found in most of the devices. Anyways, IR blaster is a good thing. You can control your devices, and here is your secondary microphone, and here is your primary microphone. So coming on to the device, let me just, yeah, sorry, I gave the wrong pin. Yeah, okay, so you know I'm a fan of Robert Downey Jr., so yeah, I kept this wallpaper. Anyways, so you can see this thing has got a Quad HD display, as I was speaking of. That is 5.7 inches Quad HD display, corner to corner. Anyways, if we go to this display thing, we get to see screen resolution. I've set it to full HD because I was having some problems regarding some of the games, so you can shift it up to WQHD, and that is the highest maximum resolution possible to bump up in this device. And this is so great because the OnePlus 5T does just not give a quad HD display on the budget of 30k, which this device can give. Anyways, this is a good device and the review of this device will be out soon. So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you surely like it. Press the subscribe button. Anyhow, I don't know how will you do that, but do press it. I don't know how. Press the bell icon beside it to get notified each time I upload a content. Sorry, I'm a bit late in uploading this video because I was on to my exams. Yeah, so anyways, bye bye. See you guys later.